Hello friends, today I'm here to share my experience with Ola after usage of like 4,000 kilometers, which is a quite good usage. So do watch it till the end to understand the complete review of the vehicle before you purchase it. So let's go down and check out the vehicle right now. I will share the review shortly. So let's start with this wonderful display. I really love the display, which is about 7 inches, and it shows how much it will run in eco, normal and sport and hyper mode. Here is the main screen which shows the total kilometers it has ran till now. So it is 4,102 kilometers. Well, I'm not sure how much I saved on the fuel, but I definitely did something for the environment. To the left hand side of the handle I see a cruise control and a reverse mode and a beam setup, and left and right indicators and a horn. And on the right side we have a power button to start the vehicle and changing a different modes with this button, and the volume increase and play and pause button has been given. So one point I would really like to say about this cruise control, this is a cruise control button. Once your vehicle is running for 30 kilometers per hour, we can press this button once and the cruise control will be enabled till you press on a brake one time to get it to the normal speed. Well, with the touchscreen, I would like to mention one point here. I mean, the touch is good, but then at times it doesn't work. So we'll have to be changing it twice, or maybe because there is some dust on the screen, it might not work sometimes. But overall, it is good. So on the second screen, we have maps. I'll just click on one of the places. So we can start here, and through GPS, it will calculate the distance. It will show you how long it will take to reach in the traffic which is there. So this is a good feature because at times if you don't know on the location, you can fix it and move forward. And just below the handle there are a couple of speakers and a hook which can carry up to 5 kgs, and there is a USB. Well, I'm sure you guys are aware about this bump, which nobody likes it, but then I mean I don't really have any problem with it, but the mats get spoiled frequently, so I'll have to wash it. One small drawback for the handle which I observed, because I rode Passion Plus for 15 years, I found Ola's handle to be short while driving. I mean, moving left and right. This is how the front portion of the vehicle looks like. The wheels are pretty fine, but it gets dusted, so we'll have to keep washing it to have a shine. Well, one thing for sure, the seat is very comfortable of Ola, and just the only thing is the quality of the seat, which is material. I mean, it can be improved. Another plus feature is a boot space, which can be very simple, just to open like this, and you can see a helmet and charger is already there. I can keep a lot of stuff, and I believe everything is fine except the timer which is there to lock this back. It should give in like more seconds to lock it, because just we open it and keep it for some time, it gets locked. These two back supports are good enough just to hold when somebody's sitting at the back, but they are not strong enough. And this is a charger. You can just open and plug so that it gets charged. Well, I did not have any issues with the vehicle as such, but then initially when there was no update, there was no actual kilometers updated. The vehicle got closed on the road because I didn't realize I had to reboot it to check the actual kilometers which it can run, right? So that was one flaw which is already fixed, and I'm just waiting for Movers 3, which will be in January 2023, and it'll be really good to experience the different sounds which is very good, right, for the experiences of the user. So now if you see this, there's a music operating screen given here, but this works only when the vehicle is stopped. Otherwise the screen won't work. That's a good feature, and it's a must required actually, because to avoid any accidents. So it's a regular charger which we use to just plug in and just charge, and if it is completely drained out, I mean it will take 3 units to charge the complete vehicle, which is quite effective right now at this point of time till the electricity prices are not increased. Let's see some features here. You have a display, you have a passcode where you can change your passcode, and then you have the details of how much it has been traveled, sounds, Bluetooth connections, and a system update. Anytime there is a system update, it will appear here. You can update the vehicle. So currently it's on 2.0 version and waiting for 3.0, right? And here you have displayed dark display and a light display. Overall, the experience is like similar to operating a phone, but it's a good one. At the main page you find this 0 kilometers at the top. It can actually track the kilometers you have run once you start the vehicle. So if I go to office from here, my office is like 17 kilometers, I can track that, how many kilometers I've traveled, and the overall kilometers are shown at the bottom. So overall the vehicle is pretty good actually. Two members can actually easily travel, and it gives the range of 135 kilometers, which is quite satisfying actually, and it costed me around 1.4 lakhs to buy this vehicle, but it's very cost effective at this point of time. And obviously we might know that this bumper is no more in the new vehicle, and they've heard us and they try to remove that. Another point about the wheels, these are quite small when compared to a bike, right? But then I'm getting used to it right now, and both front and back wheels have disc brakes. That is very good. Well, I've rode this vehicle for like 85 kilometers per hour, so that speed is the highest speed which I went. But then I'm really satisfied because it's 6.2 road, and it's not shaky, it's very stable. That is very good. Well, that's it for now, folks. If you have any questions with respect to the vehicle, do comment in the comment section. I can get back to you with your to answer your questions. I believe the points which I shared about the vehicle, which will help you to make an informed decision about whether you should purchase this vehicle at this point of time or not. And do comment in the comment section and ask me a question. If I'm able to answer, I'll definitely answer your additional questions which I may have missed out on this video. And thanks for watching.